Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel where we feature amazing shipping container homes from around the world. In this video, we bring to you a modern shipping container home in Asheville, North Carolina, built by Ryan and Brooke Naylor. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing modern container home. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at Sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the first shipping container home constructed in Asheville, North Carolina. The house embraces a thoughtful design throughout, taking into consideration all of its surroundings. This creative family home is built using 3 repurposed shipping containers. The containers are arranged in a U-shaped design with one shipping container on each side and the resultant space between the containers, which forms the living space of the house with a total gained living space of 1,100 square feet. The containers are elevated off the ground, sitting on concrete piers to keep them away from moisture, creating some usable space underneath. From the front of the house, it is not possible to tell the house is sitting on a sloping site, hence just looking like any other conventional home. The house is situated perfectly for its passive solar design, and nearly everything within the house is constructed from repurposed materials, making it a smart fit in Asheville. This exceptional green-built home is surrounded by beautiful views and embraces the ecologically friendly concepts of reducing, reusing, and recycling building materials. The interiors are well lit and furnished to provide essential functions with maximum comfort. The front doors open into a welcoming interior with a bright living space, which includes a spacious dining area for 6 that overlooks the outdoors, that offers plenty of opportunities for entertainment. Next to the dining area is a spacious sitting room, which has a cozy lounge space defined with a beautiful floor mat, a big comfortable sectional couch, a crackling wood burner, a wide flat screen TV, and lots of natural light streaming in, creating a sunny and welcoming interior living space. The open plan living helps to expand the feeling of space and avoids confinement. The interior space is painted light colors to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. The floors are finished with, which gives the house a sleek, modern look. The roof is fitted with ceiling fans, which come in handy to provide a summer breeze during hot weather. Behind the lounge area is a large restaurant-style kitchen, fully furnished with stainless steel appliances, enough counter space, adequate overhead shelving, and under-the-counter custom-designed storage cabinets. The remarkably designed kitchen has an island-style table, which is used as a breakfast spot with stools for sitting. A barn door fitted past the living lounge leads to the kids' bedroom, which features a comfortable single bed and open shelves with toys in storage baskets. Come again. The master bedroom has a queen-sized bed with picture windows to the garden views, which also provides adequate daylighting. The third bedroom is cozy and has plenty of storage and a good-sized window for additional lighting, amazing views, and natural ventilation. The container's metal siding remains as the ceiling in many of the rooms, giving the spaces an industrial feel. The corrugated container walls are also visible throughout the interior walls, which celebrates the industrial vibe of the design. The open space above the containers can be a nice spot to chill and enjoy the surrounding nature. The elevated space between the ground and the floor of the house helps to allow airflow, which keeps the interiors of the house cool and dry. The windows are wide and arranged to take into account the sunlight and the sunsets appropriately. These large openings and frames create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, and the trees and the vegetation around the building helps to soften the industrial design of the house. The windows also promote excellent cross ventilation, which helps to expel hot air and drawing in cool air throughout the interior, creating indoor thermal comfort through the stack effect. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are also visible throughout the exterior, which celebrates further the industrial design of the house. The house has an outdoor sitting area surrounded by tall heritage trees, which provide full-time shade when anyone would love to sit and relax any time of the day. This amazing home is on sale and is listed by Nest Realty for $350,000 US dollars. Feel free to check it out through the link in the description below. We love the double volume living space in this amazing container home. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.